What are you eating? Beans? Is that edamame beans? Uh-oh, it fell. Where'd the bean go? Mmm. Cooper loves edamame. Good job. How are you opening that? That's good. Mmm. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Is that good? Oh, hi, Bean. Hi, Beans. What? It's a bean? Oh, it's empty? Okay. Okay, you got the bean out. You got the bean. How do you do that? Alright, you just open it and eat it? Mmm. That's good. Hi, Bean. You like those edamame beans? Alright, that's Cooper eating edamame. Good stuff. You want to say bye-bye, Cooper? Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Blow kisses. Blow another kiss. One more kiss. Mwah. High five.
High five.
High five. See ya.